Hello everyone and welcome to Defense Shows. So the notification of National Defense Academy and Naval Academy of 2021 has come out. So are you ready to know all the things you have to fill in the form and what all are the requirements to know? All right. So here we move. So the date of examination is 18 April 2021. See, we have 3 months left for us to study, alright, which is for the admission to Army, Navy, and Air Force wings of National Defense Academy, right? So, the notice for NDA and NA of 2021 will start from 30 December 2020. So, 30 December 2020 say we can fill the form, alright, and the last date to fill the form is 19 January 2021. It is 19 January 2021, and for more details and for more updates you can visit this site regularly, because we know that UPSC conducts the NDA examination, and it is conducted in two phase, and it is the and means the first type and the second. So this is the first 2021. All right, so for more updates you can see the upsc.government.in. So now see what is the age limit. So friend, for 16.5, all right, to 19.5 year person can fill this form. All right, so we can say 27 2002 and 17 2005, right? Between them can fill this form. All right, and we have seen that the form will start from 30 December 2020 and last in 19th January 2021. Up to 6 p.m. you can fill this form. All right, up to 6 p.m. you can fill this form. Let's see, you must complete your 12th and you can be appearing student of 12th. All right, your board is any recognized board. All right, 12th pass appearing in any recognized board, right, with physics and mathematics as a subject, then you are applicable and you can go for Navy as well as Air Force. All right, so here are the post name: National Defense Academy and Naval Academy. All right, wing name: Army, Navy, Air Force. All right, Naval Academy 10 plus 2 cadet entry. All right, so 12th plus 2 intermediate class, 12th exam passed. All right, 12th exam passed, और जिसने अपियरिंग स्टूडेंट होगा कोई भी रिकग्नाइज बोर्ड में बट हैव फिजिक्स एंड मैथमेटिक्स एज इज इज कंपल्सरी फॉर नेवी एंड एयरफोर्स. ऑल राइट, then 10 plus 2 intermediate exam in any recognized board. See friend, age between 27 2002 to 17 2005. All right, so the question that arises that, are 3 months enough for this examination? So yeah, 3 months are enough for this examination if you do in a specific manner, because Defense Joes has brought this initiative to provide you the exact and the question which comes in the examination. So we are solving the previous year question, whether it is in the maths, it is or in the English. So we are solving the previous year question every day. All right, and how you will get benefited and how you can score good in your NDA examination. See friend, we have paper 1 and paper 2, right? Mathematics and general ability test. So in mathematics classes we have completed more things, and we are going for the previous question papers. Okay, so you can visit there because the tricks are very good, you can solve them in the finger too. So, and the second comes the general ability test. So in general ability test you will get all the thing, like you will also get geography, okay, current affair, history, freedom movement. All right, you will get the general science, chemistry, physics, general knowledge, and English. So we are doing the English classes daily, and I know that vocabulary play a vital role in the examination. So we are doing the vocabulary part daily. All right, and we started with spotting the errors. All right, and we have started the biology class too, because we know that math student faces problem in biology too, although the question comes very moderate one. So friends, if you haven't visited the channel of ours, just do that and subscribe our channel and share this video as much as possible, because the defense aspirant will get benefited of it. Okay, so thank you, keep learning. Jai Hind.